Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm your friend Krishna Singh. So कैसे हो आप लोग गाइस? कमेंट में ज़रूर बताना। तो आज का टॉपिक ही बहुत शानदार होने जा रहा है। आज मैं आप लोगों को एक ऐसी चीज़ बताने जा रहा हूँ जिससे आप सीए फाउंडेशन मैथमेटिक्स एग्जाम में 60 प्लस मार्क्स स्कोर कर सकते हैं। वो भी आई एम कॉन्फिडेंट if you follow my tips you will definitely get more than 60 marks exemption in your CA foundation mathematics exam, whether it is LR, whether it is statistics, whether it's mathematics part of quantitative aptitude. You can solve all the part in given time, which is I think with 2 hours are given to the student to solve the mathematics paper in CA foundation. I also cleared CA foundation with 61 marks in my CA foundation quantitative aptitude paper. How I did that? How I got 61 marks in CA foundation exam? This is not a joke, man. Most of the student did not even touch the 40 marks in their exam. And I think the most scary subject in the CA for one of the scariest subject in the CA foundation is mathematics quantitative aptitude. So in this video I gonna tell you how you can get exemption in your quantitative aptitude exam. So बने रहिए मेरे साथ. Let's begin the video. Okay, so I'm gonna attach a video of screen recording in which I show you a folder which made by me when I was preparing for CA foundation. What I was doing in my journey when I was preparing for CA foundation, what I did. So after completing the chapters, after doing the class works which my teacher taught me in the class, after doing that, what I did extra, most of the CA student fail in their exam, not because they did not study it, but because of they did not revise wisely. They did not revise the things properly. So revision is the most important part of your journey to clear the CA foundation exam. So what I'm going to tell you, I'm going to even show you. I will attach a video on the screen recording on this video. So what I did, I actually when I solve any chapter. Suppose I'm solving any chapter of I completed any chapter. I watched the lecture in the YouTube. I'll watch the lecture in the YouTube of any chapter and practice 2 to 3 4 questions with the teachers. Generally, teachers who who taught on YouTube us about any chapter, they practiced, they solved some question in the class as well. Okay, after that what I did, I searched the that chapter with I searched on YouTube that the statics, this chapter RTP and NTP practice. So there's lots of video on YouTube available so you can also PYQ, RTP, NTP of that chapter. There's lots of video. What I did, I just opened and watched the video and solved the question with the sir. And those question which was new for me, which जो मुझे लगा कि ये अलग है थोड़ा, इसमें मुझे प्रॉब्लम हो रही है, उसका मैंने स्क्रीनशॉट ले लिया. और उसका स्क्रीनशॉट लेके मैंने एक अलग फोल्डर में उसको रख लिया. जैसा कि मैं जितने भी मैराथन करता था, जितने भी टीचर्स के साथ मैराथन करता था, जितना भी उसमें जो भी मुझे क्वेश्चन लगता था कि नहीं ये कुछ प्रॉब्लम दे सकता है, तो मैंने उसका स्क्रीनशॉट लिया और एक अलग फोल्डर में उसको डाल दिया. उससे क्या हुआ कि लास्ट तो ऐसे मेरे 55 क्वेश्चन ऐसे हो गए जो मैंने एक अलग फोल्डर में सेव कर लिया. जो कि मुझे अलग लगे, जो कि नहीं लगा कि मतलब यहाँ पे मेरी मिस्टेक हो सकती है। तो लास्ट डे पे सिर्फ मैं स्क्रॉल करते गया, अच्छा अच्छा ऐसा ऐसा, दिस आफ्टर दैट व्हाट I got so much confidence after solving the MTP, RTP, and the taking the screenshot of that question, which I thought it gonna create a problem for me, and I created the folder of that, and I will give you that folder free of cost. Actually, that folder I just I just make a screenshot folder of the question which I got in the some of them from marathon, some of them from RTP MTP, some of them when I was giving my mock test. There's a bunch of number of the question in that folder, and I'm going to give you that. And also remember one thing, be consistent man. अगर आप कंसिस्टेंट नहीं रहोगे तो प्रॉब्लम हो सकती है। सीए फाउंडेशन, आप अभी सीए फाउंडेशन में हो, अभी आप जब सीए इंटर में आओगे तो और भी बहुत ज़्यादा परेशानियां आपको होंगी। तो ट्राई कि आप एक या दो अटेम्प्ट में जिसका भी है, या जिसका भी अभी जितने भी अटेम्प्ट हो गए, इस अटेम्प्ट में आप क्लियर कर लो सीए फाउंडेशन। आई होप यू गाइज हैड एंजॉय दिस वीडियो अ लॉट. Thank you. I will give the link of that PDF in my description, or I will upload that PDF on my Telegram channel. You can go and check it out from there. And thank you guys. Thank you for giving me your time, and good luck for your CA foundation exam. Thank you.